Warm greetings, everyone. As we are doing chapter number 2, the next topic is solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. In my last video, I explained you the meaning of homogeneous. So, homogeneous is a uniform mixture. Uniform means in which no boundary is there and we cannot differentiate two different layers of a mixture. The solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. For example, lemon water, sugar solution, soda water, etc. All these are examples of solutions. A solution may be solid, liquid, or a gas. For example, a solid solution, the example of a solid solution is alloys. You know what are alloys? Alloys are mixtures of two or more than two metals or non-metals. Those are called alloys. So, alloys are a kind of solid solutions because in these the components are solids only. The a solution may also be gaseous. For example, air. Air is a mixture and it is a solution of different gases. It can be liquid like sugar solution. Now, here I'm going to take 1 glass of water and add a tablespoon of sugar in it. So, can you see all the sugar particles dissolve in water? Now, a solution is made up of two components. Here, water we have take that is solvent and sugar is solute. So, what is solvent? The component of the solution that dissolves the other component in it and is usually present in large amount. Means that here water is solvent and solute which is present in small amount. So, एक मेथड है इसको लर्न करने का कि कैसे आप लर्न करेंगे कि सॉल्यूशन के जो दो कंपोनेंट होते हैं of these two components, one is solvent and another one is solute. Solvent which is present in large amount and solute which is present in smaller amount. Now, if you count the alphabets, the letters of solvent, there are 7 letters in a solvent and 6 letters in a solute. As solvents have more letters as compared to solute, so solvent is present in large quantity and solute is present in smaller quantity. So, this is the way of learning solute and solvent. So, here in this example, just now we have taken water plus sugar. Here, water acts as a solvent and sugar acts as a solute. So, examples of solution, a solution of sugar in water is a solid in liquid type of solution. In this solution, sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. Second, a solution of iodine in alcohol is also known as tincture of iodine. So, in tincture of iodine, what is solvent? Alcohol. And what is solute? Iodine. It has iodine as a solute, that is solid, and alcohol as a solvent, that is liquid. So, it is also a kind of solid in liquid type of solution. Third, aerated drinks. Aerated drinks means ये सोडा वाटर वगैरह जो भी मार्केट्स में अवेलेबल होते हैं, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स ऑल एंड ऑल, these are gas in liquid type of solution. So, in these aerated drinks, carbon dioxide gas is solute and water acts as a solvent. So, all these are different types of solution. Now, air is also a solution. It is a mixture of gas in gas because air is a mixture of gases. Different number of gases are there. Oxygen 21%, nitrogen 78%. So, here nitrogen act as the solvent because it is present in larger amount and all other gases are present in small quantities and they act as solute. Now, the properties of solution. What are the properties? One, a solution is a homogeneous mixture. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया कि हमें solute अलग और solvent अलग दिखाई नहीं देता है. It is a homogeneous mixture. Second, the particles of solution are smaller than 1 nanometer. nm means nanometer. 1 nm से भी छोटे होते हैं solution के particles diameter में. So we cannot see them with our naked eye. तो हम इनको सिर्फ माइक्रोस्कोप में ही देख सकते हैं. नेक्ड आई से हमें सॉल्यूशन के पार्टिकल्स दिखाई नहीं देते. क्यों? क्योंकि जब पार्टिकल्स के ऊपर लाइट होती है, क्योंकि ये पार्टिकल स्कैटर नहीं करते लाइट को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब लाइट पड़ेगी इस पार्टिकल के ऊपर, अगर उस पार्टिकल का साइज थोड़ा बड़ा होगा तभी ये स्कैटर कर सकता है लाइट को. तो यहाँ पर ये स्कैटर नहीं करते, तो इसीलिए हमें दिखाई नहीं देते. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम एक बीकर में वाटर लें, शुगर सॉल्यूशन ले लिया हमने, दिस इज अ सॉल्यूशन, और हम एक साइड से लाइट फॉल कर रहे हैं उसके ऊपर, तो हमें उसका पाथ दिखाई नहीं दिया. Because the particles were very small in size, they do not scatter a beam of light passing through the solution. So this path is not visible in case of a solution. We cannot separate solute from solution by filtration. क्योंकि particles का size बहुत छोटा है, तो filtration करके हम solute और solvent को separate नहीं कर सकते. जैसे कि शुगर सॉल्यूशन को फिल्टर करके हम शुगर अलग और वाटर अलग नहीं कर सकते. When solution is kept undisturbed, then the particles of solute will not settle down and hence the solution is stable. This is another property of solution. कि थोड़ी देर के लिए अगर हम undisturbed रखते हैं particles को, तो solute के particles नीचे settle down नहीं होंगे. It means that solution is stable. So all these 5 are the properties of solution.